What's up, guys? It's Wayne here. If you are interested, if you're a brand new person that's just getting into stocks, if you're interested in stocks, just don't know how it works, what to do, what are options, what is a straddle, what's a iron condor, what's a butterfly, what's, if you want to know the basics, I love helping people out that have never even opened up an account before, but you should be doing it. You see people making money, you hear about stocks, you're just unsure. Hit me up. Stocks is fun, man. I have fun. We make money, we have fun. And if you don't have a Robinhood account, the first thing you got to do is you got to get a brokerage account. Before you had to have before Robinhood, you had to have about $25,000 in your account, and in order to open up an account, so that way you can day trade or even trade. Right now, you can deposit as little as $100 in your Robinhood account, and they'll give you free stock. Like that's a no-brainer. That's like buying a lottery ticket and you won already. It's a no-brainer, and you can refer your friends and earn money that way, earn free stock that way. So if you're just brand new, you want to learn how to do stocks. First of all, let me just say this: I'm not a financial advisor. Am I qualified to teach and educate? I don't really feel that I'm worthy enough to do anything, but I'm going out on a limb and helping someone that wants to be helped. And if I'm making money, if I've been profitable trading, I keep telling, I say this to people that I've turned $400 into $100,000 in overnight, and that was luck, but it was also I had to be in the game. That was some luck, but it also I had to be in that position in order to make it. So, and I would when it comes down to would you rather be smart or lucky? I would much rather be lucky than smart any day of the week because sometimes you just hit it. Um, so one, if you're trying to understand options is not some options trading is something that can make you very wealthy. It can make you a lot of money. Um, and I would say that they don't offer options available to you immediately at all. If you go into your Robinhood account, you can trade stocks, but they won't allow you to get options. You have to answer the questions a certain way. So if you need help answering those questions, if you've been denied before, hit me up. I will walk you through it. We can do a one-on-one. I'll show you how to enable it, and and then you can start trading right away. You can start getting into options right away. But it's about managing risk and having someone show you the way. So what I'm offering is to teach you what I've learned because what's important is that you're going through a learning curve and you're gonna lose money. Now, if you partner with someone that can help you out, that's been through this jungle before, you can lose a lot less money. And I think it's important that you do partner with someone. It doesn't have to be me, but you go buy a course, go spend $1,000 on a course, go spend money to invest into yourself so that way you can learn because it's important that you shorten that learning curve up because if if you don't pay the if you don't pay the money to invest into yourself and then you don't pay the money to buy a course, you're gonna pay the hard way. So you're gonna pay now upfront with a course or getting mentored by someone, or you're gonna pay the hard way later on when you make a nice stack of money and it's just gonna poof up and go because you didn't know how to manage things right. So I have a link in the description below with my contact info on Instagram, and also there's my calendar, so that way you can book your own appointment, and also there's some links below where you can actually sign up for Robinhood and Webull. So if you don't have a brokerage account, sign up using my link below or someone's link below. I mean, or someone's link. It could be anyone's, so that way you can get access to this meal ticket called the stock market. The stock market prints money daily. So you have to get access to your own money printer, which is the stock market. So link in the description below for Robinhood or Webull. You get a free stock. I get a free stock when you use the link. I'm offering my services, which is $30 an hour, or 4 sessions, 60-minute sessions each for $100. And I will be making a course later on, but I just want to do some one-on-ones because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions, and you want to be able to do it at your own pace and answer your own questions. And you want to have a buddy, you want to have a friend, and I'm willing to offer that friendship and extend myself out to people that want to actually move forward in life and actually learn stocks. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna pour everything that I can. I'm gonna work at your pace. Anything that I can help you out with, I will, and I'll be able to share with you everything that I've learned with stocks. I'm not the expert at it, but I know a little bit. I can hold my own. But more importantly, that I've made some money. So look forward to you guys jumping in the stock game with me. Until then, peace. Let's have some fun and make some money.